So for each elastic we added on to the Barbie, we did 3 different trials, and then we're going to average them out. And we're doing this so we can get a basic idea of the distance that she dropped.
Three trials to make sure we get a more accurate result.
Experiment, the independent variable is the number of rubber bands we use. In the dependent variable is how far she dropped.
I had was 7.5, and that means for every elastic added, the Barbie would have dropped 7.5 inches.
Just 41, right? Or should we do? Yeah, 41.
41.7.
You have 41, so you have a little bit of.
You can't have 0.7 of rubber bands.
And then you also can't do 15.
And then you shouldn't do 42 because then she'll hit her head.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
So I'm going to round it down.
Okay, so yeah, you're right,
We used our equation and we found that we need 22 rubber bands to make Barbie jump.
Helps us because we can sub it. So if we put in how many rubber bands, we could find out how many feet she would jump. And if we put in how many feet she would jump, we could find out how many rubber bands to put on her.
I used the equation to calculate how many rubber bands I needed to hook up to Barbie for her to have a fun and exciting ride, but without hitting the ground.
We used our equation to determine how to give the Barbie a thrilling but safe ride, which means we get her to as close to the ground as possible without her hitting her head. And we got 25.6 something bands, but in order to keep the Barbie from hitting her head, we had to subtract 1 band, so we came up with 24 bands.
2, 1, drop.
Oh no, I dropped mine!
3, 2, 1, yeet!
That a girl Barbie.
3, 2, 1, Powerpuff Girls!